Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to create an organizational chart or org chart in Google Slides for 2025. Whether you're a student mapping out a project team, a manager organizing your department, or just someone who loves visualizing structures, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Org charts are fantastic for showing hierarchies and relationships clearly, and Google Slides makes it easy and free to do. First things first, open up Google Slides by going to slides.google.com and starting a new presentation. Once you're in, select a blank slide or one with a simple layout to keep things straightforward. Now, let's build the foundation of your org chart. Head to the Insert menu, then click on Shape. You'll find a variety of options like rectangles, circles, and arrows, perfect for representing positions and connections. Start by adding shapes for the key roles in your organization. For example, drag a rectangle for the CEO at the top. Then, add subordinate shapes below it, like ovals for department heads. Don't forget to add text. Double-click on each shape and type in the names and titles, such as CEO, John Doe. To make it look professional, use the toolbar to adjust fonts, sizes, and colors. Maybe go with a clean blue theme for a corporate feel. Next, connect your shapes to show relationships. Go back to Insert, select Line or Arrow, and draw lines between the shapes. This visually links the hierarchy, making it easy to follow. If you want to get fancy, explore the Arrange menu to align everything perfectly or group elements together. Google Slides also has built-in templates. Check under File, New, from Template Gallery for pre-made org chart designs to save time. One pro tip. If your chart gets complex, consider using add-ons from the Google Workspace Marketplace, like drawing tools that enhance your options. Once you're done, review your chart for clarity and share it with your team by downloading as a PDF or presenting directly. There you have it, your very own org chart in Google Slides. This skill will boost your productivity and make presentations pop. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.